Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic to enumerate the number of bacteria present in the drinking water by MPN test. This is the standard method for the analysis of the water quality. So most probable number is a method to estimate the concentration of viable microorganisms which are present in any sample of the water. It is a commonly used for the microbial population in the soil, water, agriculture products, and it is a part of the plate count of enumeration method. MPN is most commonly applied in quality testing of the water to ensure whether the water is safe or not in terms of bacteria present in it. A group of bacteria commonly referred to as the fecal coliform, as an indicator of the fecal contamination of the water. The presence of very few fecal coliform bacteria could indicate the water probably contains disease causing. If the fecal coliform bacteria are present, then it indicates that the water is not safe and the bacteria can cause disease. So, what is the principle of this method? Water to be tested is diluted serially and inoculated in lactose broth. Coliform is present in water utilize the lactose present in the medium to produce acid and gas. So lactose is used as the substrate by the microorganism, and if the lactose is used by the microorganism, it will indicate that there are coliform forming bacteria. The presence of acid is indicated by the color change in the medium, and the presence of gas is detected as gas bubble collected in the inverted Durham tubes, which are present in the medium. The number of total coliform is determined by the counting the number of tubes giving positive reactions. So the experiment is conducted in three steps. First is presumptive test, second confirmative test, and the third is completed test. So the first is pro- uh, procedure is presumptive test. In the presumptive test, each group will need three triple strength lactose tubes with bromothiamol lube, six regular strength lactose tubes, and with thiamol, bromophenol thiamol lube. Sterile water collection bottles for community sampling is required. So what is the procedure? First, collect appropriately 50 ml of water to be tested, or we can use top samples provided in the class. Or then rigorously we shake the water samples to be tested by moving it to 25 times. So then transfer 10 ml of samples into each of the three triple strength lactose tubes. Always use aseptic techniques in the water inoculation and label the tubes with amount of water samples to be tested. Then we transfer 1 ml of the sample into the three regular strength lactose tube using the sample pipette. Transfer zero point 0.1 to each of the three remaining regular strength lactose tubes. Then we incubated all the tubes at 37 degrees centigrade. After that, we go to the procedure number 2, that is the confirm test. Examine the tubes from the presumptive test and determine if there is has produced any acid reactions. If so, then positive presumptive test. If no gas is present in any of the Durham tubes, this is a negative presumptive test. So after the test becomes positive, we go to the confirmative test. Determine the number of the tubes positive for acid gas in each of the three volume categories. Determine the MPN of your water sample by comparing these number to the MPN determinants chart accompanying this exercise. Complete the table for the presumptive test as shown below and enter it into your book. From any tube showing 10% gas production or more, seek one loopful of the broth onto EMB plate using the isolation sticking techniques. Incubate the plate at 37 degrees centigrade until the next session. Then we go to the next session, so that is procedure 3, completed test. Draw is described your EMB plate into the plates, and then we carefully examine the plates looking for well isolated coliform colonies. Typically, E. coli colonies appear with a metallic green seal on the EMB. So if the coliform bacteria are there, E. coli is there, then it will show the green color. From one of these colonies set up our test and lactose fermentation tube and NS lant. Then we incubate them at 37 degrees centigrade until the next procedure session. After that, the incubation, we check the lactose tube for acid and gas production. If there is no any gas, then this is a negative completed test. Then we prepare a gram stain for the analysis of gram positive and the gram negative test. If there is a non-sporulating producing gram-negative rod and the lactose growth shows an acid-gas reaction, this is a positive complete test. Okay, so we can analyze that the test is positive or negative. So what are the results in the presumptive test? What when will it will be the positive? The formation of gas in the Durham tubes indicate that the test is positive in within 24 to 48 hours. And what is the negative? No gas formation in the Durham tubes indicate that the test is negative. Confirmed test, when the formation of gas in lactose broth and the demonstration of a coliform-like colony on the EMB agar indicate the presence of the test confirmed. Coliform produce colonies with greenish metallic sheen which differentiate it from non-coliform colonies. And when will it will be negative? The absence of gas formation in the lactose broth or failure of the demonstrate coliform-like colonies indicate that the test is negative. And what is the result of the coliform completed test? Positive test. When there is a presence of gas in the brilliant green bile test tube and gram-negative non-sporulating growth sap bacteria are observed, then it indicates that the bacteria are coliform. It finalize it, it confirm it that the bacteria are the coliform bacteria. And what in which condition the test is negative, there is no growth and there is no gas formation in the growth, it indicate that they are not coliform. it, if there is not any kind of gram negative non-sporulating growths, then it also indicate that the test is negative. So by using these tests, we can analyze what are the method to enumerate the coliform forming bacteria. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.